Just sitting here right now, like everyone else, mostly watching, the updates on Trump and all the horrible things that's been going on around the world. But either way, I did feed the birds today, as you can see, while I was watching cowboy movies earlier. Look at them all. They're so happy. So happy. They came to my door and they didn't go away until I come out. Well, I never make them wait anyways. I buy bread just for them. I bought that bowl just for them. But either way, I made lamb chops for dinner. Lamb chops, rice, with mixed vegetables on the side with butter. I didn't put a lot of seasoning on my lamb chops. I wanted to taste the natural flavor. But anyways, everyone, enjoy your weekend. Although things are going on around the world, we still remain and keep hope. So I bought that bowl, and it's just for the birds. I have bread in that bowl for the birds. I had it on my porch, because they were up on my porch looking for bread. And they were up there eating, but now I'm gonna go in the house and let them finish eating. Let's see what's going on in the sky right now. It's beautiful. It is a beautiful winter day. Let me go in here and let them finish eating now. These are some videos, some pictures that I took of the sky, and I noticed a little dot up there in the sunset, so I enlarged it to see what it was, and enjoy for all your nature, people who love nature.